Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the live text feature on your iPhone. Live text is a newer addition to iOS that allows your iPhone to automatically recognize and process text in your photos. For instance, if we take a picture here of this package, you'll see the Photos app already recognizing that there's text. If we take a photo, we can then select that text in the image. To turn this off for both the Photos app and the camera, start by heading into the Settings app. Next, scroll down and choose General. Inside of here, select Language and Region. In here at the bottom, you'll then see the Live Text option. Turn this off to disable live text from your photos. To turn the live text option off for just the camera app, say if you want to still select text in the photos that you've taken, but you don't want the camera to automatically detect text, we can disable it in the camera settings. To do this, head back to the main settings page and then scroll down and choose Camera. Here you'll see Show Detected Text. Toggle this off to disable the camera from automatically detecting text while you're taking a picture. And that's how you turn off the live text feature on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.